Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is HBS and Posh Beauty and Skincare. Today I'll be showing you how I make my face gel, soothing face gel for sunburn and redness. Stay tuned and watch to the end. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Please do well to subscribe so you get notified when I make an upload. Okay guys, so let's dive into the video. Right now I'll just be measuring out all my solvents, all the ingredient I'll be using. Right now I'm measuring out propylene glycol. So propylene glycol is a penetration enhancer, and I'll be using propylene glycol at 1%. Moving on to the next phase, I'll be measuring out my glycerin. So I'll be using glycerin as a solvent for my gel. So this is glycerin. I'll be using glycerin at 5%. I'll be using glycerin at 5%. So right now I'm just measuring out my glycerin. That's glycerin in there. And the next thing I'll be using santan gum as to make a slurry for my gel. So I'll just be using santan gum at 0.2%, and that's what I'm measuring right now. Yeah, followed by okay, so guys, this is my santan gum measured out. I'm just going to be mixing it together to dissolve the santan gum in the glycerin. Then I'm going to mix very well thoroughly to properly incorporate the santan gum into the glycerin to make a slurry. Then I'm going to cover it for a while to incorporate before I continue with my formulation. So that's it. You can see that the xanthan gum is dissolved in the glycerin, and that is what I have. So I'm just going to be leaving this. I'm going to be setting it aside. I'm going to cover it and leave it to incorporate, to dissolve properly before I incorporate this into my formulation. So moving on to the next phase. So guys, moving on to the next phase, I will be measuring out my water phase. So in my water phase, I'll be using rose water. Rose water has a lot of skin benefits, and since this formulation is for face, rose water is really perfect for this formulation. If you have aloe vera water, you can also incorporate this into the formulation. So in here I have propylene glycol, and that in the other cup I have rose water. So in this cup I'm going to be measuring out distilled water. Guys, you want to use distilled water. You don't want to use an ordinary water to avoid bacteria growing in your formulation. So that's that. I just measured out my distilled water, and in this 3 cup I have glycerin, propylene glycol, rose water, distilled water. Glycerin has santan gum in it, and in next phase I will be measuring out my active. So in this course of formulation, the active I chose is Snow White powder. So Snow White powder is what I'll be using in this formulation, and I'll just go ahead to measure Snow White at 1%. So I'll just go ahead to measure Snow White at 1% for this formulation. So after measuring out this Snow White powder. I'm going to be adding it to the water because this is water soluble active, and I'm going to be heating it up in the microwave for some time so I can get a clear solution. So right away I'll just turn this mixture into a heat-proof container. Then I'll just heat it up and then I will be right back. So guys, I'm back. So guys, here it is from eating it up. So you can see I have a very clear solution. This is just like a pure water, but this solution contains distilled water, rose water, distilled water, and my Snow White powder. So that's it. Then in here is my propylene glycol. So the next thing to add is my slurry, the slurry of glycerin and xanthan gum. So right now I will just be making my gel with this. So this is exactly how to make a gel. You can use any gum, but I'm using xanthan gum in this formulation, and I'll be going in with my stick blender to make the gel. So watch as I do this. So you just have to stick blend for some few seconds, like 1 or 2 seconds. Then this is my rose water. Then you stick blend again. Once you're done doing that, you want to use a stirring rod or a spatula, a spoon, whatever you have, to incorporate the mixture very well. So guys, here is a proper gel. This is a proper gel for redness and sunburn. So the purpose of this gel is to tackle or target sunburn and redness. So if you have sunburn and redness, you can just try out this recipe. It depends on how you want your formulation to look like. This is the exact viscosity that I want. I want it to be thick, and that is why I made it this way. If you want your gel to be a little loose, you can just reduce percentage of your xanthan gum to like 0.1%. Then you are good to go, or increase the percentage of water in your formulation. So guys, this is what I have, and as you can see, this is really good. It's really nice. You can see how jelly it is. The viscosity is perfect for me, and this can be used in the morning and at night. This is really nice, guys. So guys, I'm going to check the temperature. Once the temperature is below 30 degrees Celsius, we will be adding preservative, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid. So guys, that is that. If you are watching up to this present moment, you want to consider subscribing to this channel, and please thumbs up for me. Do well to turn on the notification bell, so each time I make an upload, you'll be the first to get notified. This is the outcome of my gel. I added in vitamin E oil, like I said, as an antioxidant, and I added in liquid Jama Plus preservative to preserve this, because I have water in this formulation, so I just have to preserve it. So that is that. You can see the viscosity. So after this is totally cooled down, it's going to really look nice. So let me just show you how to use this product. So you just use this product on your face. Just apply a little bit on your face, the sides where you have the redness and sunburn, morning and night. If you use this consistently, you get to see visible results. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.